Yeah, this one I have three questions in the beginning.
Okay,
It, I believe the first note in the alto is a G sharp, correct?
good sight.
Yeah. So,
But wait a moment, G sharp because it's in the key.
yes, G sharp. So um, then in the next measure, because G sharp was a seven from the bass, I imitated it with an E natural, but I said, or should I use G sharp because it's I guess it's on a very weak rhythm,
Okay,
on the
yeah,
so what do
I
you
know.
think about it?
I know. Let's play it and let's see what happens.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I know what you understand because this is a minor seventh. In this case, what you can do to make it sound better, did you understand?
E sharp, I see.
Right, because this way, with the major seventh on the bass, it sounds as an appoggiatura.
Yeah,
That's why. Okay,
all
play.
right. And
Go.
then also
Yeah?
here, the third bar,
Of course,
this,
wait, then here it becomes natural, and we already
oh,
have, here we already have a semitone, so here that's
right,
already okay.
right, okay. So I wasn't crazy to be asking these questions.
Exactly. Then, what's the other point? Here?
Well, then, there's another question in measure three.
Okay. One, two,
Uh,
and three.
yeah, and actually it's in measure four, going to the 6/4. Um, I always thought that the preparation for uh, the fourth had to be either the note itself or
No, no, no. In the case of the 4/6, it's okay what you did. You don't necessarily have to prepare the 4 and the 6 in the 4/6 because the 4/6 can easily work as an appoggiatura. So yes, it's good. It's good as you did. And moving on. Yes.
well, I think I should let you play because this one's hard for me to
Okay,
play.
okay, okay. I'll play it. So. Okay, let's see the sequence. First of all, up to this point, all is okay. Personally, if we use the technique of the half cadence, so with the cadence finishing on the fifth degree, here I prefer to have an arpeggio. Why? Because it's more conclusive after all of those
Right.
stepwise notes. If we go here. Then let's see what you wrote. Then you wrote. What was the problem? So is this D, E, and F?
Let's see. I think so, yes.
Okay, the problem of this is that this interval features something which is a 5, 7. If you have a D, 5 and 7. So here the harmony should be 6. And doesn't, so I mean, it's not totally bad, but it sounds a little bit weak with a tight bass. Okay, it can work. It can work personally. So first of all, this should be an E. Then what may sound?
I think it was supposed to be E. I don't
Yes.
think it was meant to be F.
Okay. Okay, and also these are okay. Also these are C, D. So, okay. This way. Yes.
My
Okay. So. Okay. Okay, what's the question about this point?
Well, it just seemed like very weird to leap from to here.
Yes, you're right. Or here, where is the secret key to fix this? The secret key is ask yourself where the phrase is about to finish, at least a little word of the phrase, or where you want to make it finish. For example, it's more coherent to make it finish over a 6th chord on the 3rd degree than a 4th degree. So you can do the end of the phrase down, so this way. Then, in order to move up, this way you just leap an octave.
Okay.
And that's it. So you have your phrase, little phrase with finishes here. And here you start the new phrase. So I play from the beginning of the last line. Yeah, why? Because you have a rest point, which is a thesis, thetic point, and then a new harpsichord point starting the new phrase.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so this way also number 2 works. Let's play it again completely from the beginning.
Question.
Yeah.
When the bass changes from being let's see, this would be measure second line measure 2.
Okay.
So the bass is changing from going.
Do you mean the diminution?
upper part, should the upper part change also? You can see I changed the upper part after the bass changed.
Yeah,
But
after or
I
before?
think when you played it, you changed the upper part before the bass rhythm changed.
Probably, but actually both work. Both versions work. Yeah,
So.
I took inspiration from this bass line from, and that's not the case because it is in A major. Johann Sebastian Bach, I don't know if you know it, is the organ prelude in G in A major for the organ. Let's see. Let's see it. This one. So. This. I don't know if you know it. It is a very nice composition. And in the prelude.
Oh no, I don't know this.
Okay, no, it's not quite famous, but it's really also really hard to play, especially the fugue. The prelude is easy, but the fugue is complex. Which is entirely based on that diminution, as you can see on that figure.
Right.
Okay. Nice.
All right.
Look at all these books. They are beautiful, each one more than the other, and they contain a lot of information. But they have a big problem. Either you engage in a long, painful battles against the chapters to decipher, understand, and interpret what's written, or they are completely worthless. Think about when you bought your last book to learn how to compose music. How enthusiastic were you? And then, what actually happened? It stayed in your bookcase, gathering dust and rusting away.
What you need, therefore, is not 1, 5, or 10 more books. What you need is an experienced guide who takes care to evaluate your current situation, is well aware of what your desired destination is, precisely because you tell him, so he can design the best path for your journey, points out the right exercises, shows you which mistakes to correct and how to correct them, and provides you with concrete tools to improve and get better step by step. In recent years, since I have been here on the web, I have had the pleasure of guiding by hand many people like you to learn how to compose music, to grasp the musical techniques, discover the secrets of musical composition, and then achieve concrete results. Because in the end, that's what matters, that everything you learn becomes a seed that grows your skills, and little by little you become able to compose music. And so you're happy, and happy are the people with whom you share this passion, music. For this reason, in order to help you to achieve these destinations, I've prepared 2 paths, with some things in common, but different.
one to become a Renaissance Musicus Practicus, and another one to become a Baroque Musicus Practicus. Are you curious to discover all the beautiful things you can learn with me? Click on this link and download the special informational brochure, which contains all the information you need to make the best choice for you.